Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube. What we're doing is showing the 160mm flat surface cleaner or wall cleaner, or if you wanted to on top of the telescopic lens. Inside this one, what you've got there is a little o-ring, and there's a filter sat inside there, so always remember that that filter is there for protection. Just a little o-ring out, pull the actual cone, and the actual stainless steel filter will come out with it. As you can see, 2 jets, the Turbo Devil system set up. What I've got here is the handle itself, so as you can see on this point here, the handle to go in there if you want to hold it with an handle. 22mm screw fitting on the top, so if you're doing it with a telescopic lens, you can fit it and off you go, and your telescopic lens will fit to this point. Tight swivel elbow so it goes on an angle. Yeah. You then got the gun if you want to. So the gun itself, that also can be attached to it if you're going to go down that route. So there's different options how you can set this up. But like I say, this is mainly for the 160mm. Flat surface cleaner, wall cleaner, and like I say, telescopic lens. The weight of this, 1.3 kgs. That's all it weighs. 1.3, that's all it's weighing. The jets that's in there are 1/4 inch BSP. Obviously I do advise that you jet that to your machine. Always remember, if you had a 21 litre machine at 200 bar, it's going to be really powerful in it away. Ruler sat there so you can see the size of it. Yeah. Always make sure that before you start it, just spin every patio cleaner like that before you start using it 100 miles an hour. But like I say, inside there, that there is the filter, and if you wanted to, that's your stem. Now that part is the part that spins around. Cheap, and very cheap on that side, so if it needs replacing, very easy to maintain, and that's the beauty about this system. Thank you very much. Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube.